GeoByte.
Welcome to GeoByte. General knowledge questions on national festivals of India. The first question is: which festival is celebrated as the birth of Lord Krishna, who is considered as the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu? Option A, Ugadi. Option B, Navratri. Option C, Janmashtami. Option D, Diwali. Your time starts now. Your time is up, and the correct answer is option C, Janmashtami. The second question is: Dash is known as the harvest festival of Kerala, celebrated by Malayalis across the southern part of India. Option A, Onam. Option B, Easter. Option C, Holi. Option D, Sankranti. Your time starts now. Your time is up, and the correct answer is option A, Onam. The third question is: Dash is the harvest festival that is celebrated in Assam that marks the beginning of the Assamese New Year. Option A, Pongal. Option B, Bihu. Option C, Lohri. Option D, Makar Sankranti. Your time starts now. Your time is up, and the correct answer is option B, Bihu. The fourth question is: which festival is also popularly known as the Festival of Colors in India? This festival marks the onset of the spring season in the country. Option A, Diwali. Option B, Janmashtami. Option C, Mahashivratri. Option D, Holi. Your time starts now. Your time is up, and the correct answer is option D, Holi. The fifth question is: Dash is known as the Festival of Lights. It is celebrated as a festival of victory of good over evil. Option A, Dasara. Option B, Diwali. Option C, Makar Sankranti. Option D, Navratri. Your time starts now. Your time is up, and the correct answer is option B, Diwali. The sixth question is: which Hindu festival is celebrated by sisters who tie a colorful decorative thread on the wrists of their brothers and perform puja for their long life and good health? Option A, Ugadi. Option B, Mahashivratri. Option C, Raksha Bandhan. Option D, Ganesh Chaturthi. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option C, Raksha Bandhan. The seventh question is dash is celebrated by Christians as the birth of Jesus Christ. Option A, Easter. Option B, Christmas. Option C, Eid ul Fitr. Option D, Holi. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option B, Christmas. The eighth question is which festival commemorates the birth of the much-loved elephant-headed Hindu deity who is regarded as the remover of obstacles? Option A, Raksha Bandhan. Option B, Janmashtami. Option C, Ugadi. Option D, Ganesh Chaturthi. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D, Ganesh Chaturthi. Now let us see the ninth question. Which sacred festival of the Sikh community marks the birth of the first Sikh Guru? Option A, Bihu. Option B, Guru Nanak Jayanti. Option C, Janmashtami. Option D, Vaisakhi. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option B, Guru Nanak Jayanti. The 10th question is dash is celebrated in honor of the Hindu deity Lord Shiva. This festival symbolizes the overcoming of ignorance and darkness in life. Option A, Holi. Option B, Janmashtami. Option C, Ganesh Chaturthi. Option D, Mahashivratri. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D, Mahashivratri. The 11th question is which Hindu festival is celebrated as the victory of a divine goddess over the demon King Mahishasura? Option A, Durga Puja. Option B, Holi. Option C, Diwali. Option D, Ugadi. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A, Durga Puja. The 12th question is which Islamic festival is celebrated to recognize the willingness of Ibrahim to follow Allah's command to sacrifice his son? Option A, Eid ul Fitr. Option B, Onam. Option C, Christmas. Option D, Eid ul Adha. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D, Eid ul Adha. The 13th question is dash is celebrated by Muslims at the end of the fasting month of Ramadan. It is considered as the feast of breaking the fast. Option A, Raksha Bandhan. Option B, Eid ul Fitr. Option C, Dashara. Option D, Christmas. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option B, Eid ul Fitr. The 14th question is, dash is the festival which marks the end of Navratri and Durga Puja in India. Option A, Christmas. Option B, Guru Nanak Jayanti. Option C, Dasara. Option D, Easter. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option C, Dashara. The 15th question is, which festival is the marking of the beginning of a new era and a new Hindu lunar calendar? Option A, Onam. Option B, Ugadi. Option C, Pongal. Option D, Holi. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option B, Ugadi. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.
GeoByte.